5 fire pit design mistakes to avoid. Watch this before you build. We've all seen those amazing, magazine-perfect fire pits on Pinterest, right? They look cozy, they look professional, they look right. But we've also seen the other ones, the ones that just look sad. A wobbly ring of stones in the middle of a dead patch of grass. Building a fire pit is an awesome weekend project, but it is so easy to get it wrong. And a bad fire pit isn't just ugly, it can be inconvenient or even dangerous. So today, we are counting down the 5 biggest fire pit design mistakes and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, the wrong location. This is the big one. People just plop a fire pit down wherever. You cannot do this. You have to check your local codes. Most places require a fire pit to be at least 10, sometimes 20 feet away from any structure. That means your house, your shed, your fence. And don't put it under a tree with low-hanging branches. That's just asking for trouble. But it's not just about safety, it's about wind. Pay attention to how the wind moves through your yard. You don't want to put your seating area right in the path of the smoke. Mistake number 2, the wrong size. Go big or go home, right? Wrong. When it comes to fire pits, bigger is not always better. People build these massive 6-foot wide bonfire pits, and then they realize 2 things. 1, it takes a huge amount of wood to get a decent fire going. And 2, the heat is so intense, you have to sit 15 feet away. It's not social, it's a furnace. On the flip side, a pit that's too small just looks dinky. It doesn't look intentional. A good rule of thumb is 3 to 4 feet wide. That's big enough for a good fire, but small enough to feel cozy and have a conversation across it. Mistake number 3, forgetting the foundation. You cannot just put a fire pit on your grass. I mean, you can, but it's going to kill all the grass, it's going to be a muddy mess when it rains, and it's a fire hazard. A fire pit needs a home. It needs a non-flammable foundation. This is what makes it look like a feature instead of an afterthought. This can be a simple circle of gravel, a stylish patio made of pavers, or a concrete pad. It defines the space, and it's way safer. Mistake number 4, bad seating. This is a design crime. People spend all this time building the pit and then just throw a few random plastic chairs around it. The seating is half of the experience. It's what makes it a room. Think about it. Are the chairs too close? Are they gonna melt? Are they too far away so you can't feel the heat? Is it a hodgepodge of different chairs? Plan your seating. Whether it's classic Adirondack chairs, a modern outdoor sofa, or a cool built-in stone bench, make the seating just as intentional as the pit. And mistake number 5, the wrong fuel for your lifestyle. This is about being honest with yourself. You love the idea of a rustic wood fire, but do you really want to go outside, chop wood, build a fire, and clean up ash on a Tuesday night? If you know you're not going to do the work, a wood pit will just sit there, unused. Be realistic about your lifestyle. If convenience is king, get a gas pit. A fire pit you use is always better than a perfect one that you don't. Avoid those 5 mistakes, and you'll be on your way to building the backyard of your dreams. Thanks for watching.